Hello, dear Torrents. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. And before we start our reading for the month of November 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Yeah, thank you so much for doing that. Um, so I have your cards here ready with me, Torrents. Yeah. What I'm seeing here is from the first card, World. Think that I'm saying that you have recently received some opportunities. Uh, there are, you see, you are finding that the things are falling into place now. I guess it's mostly related to your career or to your financial side. Yeah, and no, or is there may be a probability of traveling also again. Yeah, and that's more likely about and this traveling. If you have travel in your card, then this traveling is more likely to benefit you. It's more likely for your good. Okay, and yeah, and with this traveling or with the prospects that are coming to you now, uh, you see there are chances of increasing your resources, financial resources also. So yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good. No, I am seeing a progress. Probably you are also at the end of some project as well, and that is going to reap you some good benefits again. Yeah, Torrance, and so it's like the time where you are going to count your money, where you are going to count the benefits that are coming from your hard work. Yeah. So this is, and at the same time, you will also be having new opportunities. And like you see, the whole month, the cards, if I am seeing here, the whole month says that the prosperity. Okay. It says that yes, you will definitely be having some good opportunities coming your way again, and they are going to benefit you. They are for your good. Okay, and I'm also seeing some new love coming your way for single Taurus. For single Taurians, yes, there is a new love coming your way. And so yeah, and Knight of Cups, and this says that um yeah, and if you are already engaged, then yes, I would say be watchful. You will definitely be getting some opportunity of your choice. Maybe you see if you wanted to do something. Uh, if you were waiting to do something, to do some business, to do some something as a career also, and as such, I am also seeing some good benefits or good things happening in your love life, if you even if though you are already engaged. Yeah, so this is a time where I'm seeing this month is the year is a time which is full of good vibes. Yeah, both at the financial side and also on the family or love side. Yeah, and looking at you in this position, I'm seeing that you are open now. You are open for the changes coming to your way. You are more grateful to it, and at the same time, you are ready to take any chances as well. That's a good thing, Taurus. Yeah, that at this moment you are prepared to go ahead, and that's a good thing because this is the time again which is saying, which is going to give you some good results also. Yeah, so you need to be prepared with that. And yeah, and I'm also seeing some positive family life, some good family time in this month happening. At the same time, you will be able to gain that financial stability. If you have been working on it, yes, this is the time, this is the month which is going to get you that kind of financial stability again. And there's lot about finances this month. There is lot about money matters this month. and there is also more about your preferences, your choices. So like you see, if you want to do something, or yeah, I want to be a no, I want to change my job, and yes, this is the moment here for you, Taurus. Or if you think that yes, I want to go, I want to travel, then yes, here is the moment. I'm looking for some financial I mean, yeah, I'm expecting some financial benefits from some particular business, or I'm expecting some increase in my salary, so this is the time which is going to get you some positivity in that. Yeah. And yes, so this is what I had to say. uh, so looking at your other card, looking at your energy card here, Taurus, what I'm seeing is no, it's a deceit card here. So this card is saying that is warning you, or no, it's actually cautioning you that you should be careful about your money related things. You should be careful about, because this is more about the money here. Also, I am getting a feeling, I'm getting the vibes that this card says that, you see, if you are expecting something from someone, I mean some financial, if you have to get back for some money from someone, don't just simply blindly trust anyone. Okay, don't just simply give your money to anyone, or even, don't just simply give a word to anyone that you are going to do something like this. There's a possibility of getting deceived. All right, so you should be really careful about it before committing to someone. Or even if you have already committed, and if you have already given some lent, if you have already lent your money to someone, then just be careful. And just don't take it easy that way, because there are possibility, there are chances here that I have five of fire also as a clarifier to your energy card, and which is giving me feeling that yes, there will be a possibility of some sort of argument. Yeah, there will be a possibility of some sort of conflict happening with others, because of what, because of your belief, because of your blind trust on others. So you are not going to do that at all, Taurus. Yeah, so you should be very cautious about it. Okay. And above that, and besides that, yes, it's very good, very good month. It's the time that you should be making most of it. Try to think of something, try to think of something that you wanted to do always, and here you are going to get the opportunity also. So be optimistic about it, but be cautious also at the same time. Yeah, so that's it for Taurus. I'll see you again in the next month, and till then I request you please to like and subscribe my channel again. And a very happy and prosperous Diwali also for you all. Thank you so much, Taurus, for watching this. I see you again in the coming month. Till then, bye bye. Take care.